Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a new iCloud Apple ID account, whatever you want to call it, on your iPhone. So to do that, you're obviously going to open up settings first. So do that first, and you are going to actually go to contacts. Then you're going to select your iCloud account. So actually I'm just going to tap accounts, not default accounts, so select accounts here. And you're going to then select add account. Then you're obviously going to want to create new iCloud ID, so you are going to select the iCloud. There's also Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, AOL, Outlook, and there's other as well that you can select, but obviously you want to create a new account with iCloud, so select that. Then instead of logging in, you're going to create a new Apple ID here, and it's going to verify. So you're going to type in your first name, your last name, and your date of birth. I'm just going to randomly type in a name, Penelope Stevens. Date of birth, 28th of March 1996. Press confirm, add in your email address for your new Apple ID. Then you're going to select continue. I'm not going to move further though because I don't want to create a new iCloud Apple ID or whatever. But that is how you can create a new Apple ID account, iCloud account on your iPhone. It is super simple to do. Again, if you missed it, you're just going to go to contacts to do this. You're not going to actually go to the iCloud settings. You're just going to add account here to create a new iCloud account. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.